Still worried about losing video recordings? Still having troubles with multi-device deployments? Still struggling with complicated installation wiring? No worries, the EasyLink Wi-Fi kit helps you with that. This kit includes 2 Wi-Fi cameras and an NVS with a variety of different options. Or you can purchase additional cameras as needed. Hikvision's EasyLink Wi-Fi kit realizes data separated to storage. 1 NVS can store the video of 4 cameras. No longer need to worry about losing video when the camera is stolen or destroyed, making video storage more secure. Users can use mobile phones to achieve centralized management of devices and play back video to keep evidence. No localized operation. SD card plug and play. Compared to conventional cameras, no wired connection between the front and back ends is required for the EasyLink Wi-Fi kit, making connectivity and configuration simpler. So how do you configure product connections? First, insert the SD card into the NVS and connect to the network cable. Then, connect the NVS and the camera to the power supply. Third, scan the QR code on the NVS with HC and edit. Finally, after initializing NVS, you can associate all the cameras in the kit with one tap to easily complete the camera configuration. After configuration, you can install the camera in any corner by yourself without the need for professional home wiring. Moreover, the wireless technology is upgraded with Wi-Fi 6 for faster and more stable transmission. Furthermore, the camera in the kit supports general functions such as two-way audio and smart hybrid light. At night, the camera can detect suspicious people through human detection and then automatically turn on the white light to record color images and push message alerts in real time. In addition to small stores, the EasyLink Wi-Fi kit can be used in many SMB scenarios such as convenience stores, residences, cafes, bistros, and so on. Let's try the new Hikvision EasyLink Wi-Fi kit.